What's going on? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. It's Marcus from Wall Street Assassins, and what an amazing day we had. Hopefully, you guys watched this morning's video where we actually spoke about a possible pullback in the overall market, right? One of my favorite indicators to look at is the RSI indicator. If you guys looked at Wall Street Assassins Instagram, I actually made a poll. What was the best indicator, or what's my favorite indicator to look at? And before I make any type of technical decision, I always look at my RSI indicator. It's a great indicator, lets me know if a stock is overbought or oversold. But we're not going to get into our RSI lesson right now. But this morning, the RSI was deeming overbought on multiple stock charts. Typically, every morning I look at maybe 4 to 5 stocks, key stocks, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, these type of stocks, and all of them were overbought, signaling a possible pullback in the overall market, right? So looking at the overall market right now, we did have a nice little pullback. Before the overall pullback, we were above the SMA. This SMA normally acts as support when the stock is above it, but we buttered right through it today because we were overbought, right? So there's a lot of fear of inflation and stuff like that in the air, but overall, the charts never lie. And the charts were telling me that, hey, we were overbought, peaking out around 70 on the RSI. If you could see, every time we pretty much hit that 70 level, we have some type of pullback. Going forward tomorrow, what can we expect, right? We're looking at the 180-day 4-hour. The MACD has not crossed over yet. So you definitely want to be cautious to see what happened, because if we do cross over, we could possibly see some new lows, possibly from the break of 381. We could possibly retest this 373 level over here, which we've tested in the past. If we jump over towards our 1-year chart, I said this morning, make sure you guys watch out for this 382 zone. That 382 zone is the trade line, which normally acts as a divider. When the stock is above it, the stock is bullish. When the stock gets below it, the stock is bearish. And we are sitting right now on the trade line. We could easily break that level and come back down, or bounce from this level tomorrow. Next chart we want to look at is the 20-day 1 hour. Where is that RSI? This RSI is oversold, right? So we may actually get a bounce tomorrow, since the 20-day forms before the 4-hour. It forms before the 1 year. So this chart comes before all these charts. So we may actually bounce tomorrow. If we don't bounce tomorrow, we could sink lower into the oversold zone, which would make it very risky to go for any type of short position. You never really want to go into a short position in an oversold stock, because you got to think about it. How long can that stock continue to drop if it is deemed oversold in good value? You want to wait until it gets back to overbought. So definitely want to watch out to see what's going to happen tomorrow. You can see overall we are forming some type of support at this 382 zone. We want to see us get back above 384 before we could possibly retest these 389s and possibly higher. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Do you think this is a possible pullback for another bounce and possibly break of the high of that 393? Or do you think it's game over and we're going to basically start sinking down towards 373, right? So we'll see what the market looks like tomorrow. Stay tuned for our morning video. Make sure you have your subscribe button clicked. Make sure you give this video a like, and let us know in the comments below, what do you think? Later.